Let us jump to installation and configuration. To install Maven, download the latest distribution from the official website. Maven looks for setting.xml file in conf folder. Also, we can configure where it should download the jars. Let us jump to the code and we will download Maven. Go to the official website and download Apache Maven src zip. Have already downloaded. If you go into the conf, you will find the setting.xml. Have downloaded the project, Maven project from Spring Initializer. I will show how to import and how to configure. When you open the new project from exit source, and then select the POM. Since the project is already open, it will not show up the dialog, and you can open the Maven project in the IntelliJ. Then navigate to setting.xml, where you have to go to the build tool. We are using Maven, and please do select the Maven path saying that it's open, and configuration, also the repository where you want to download all the dependencies. Let us go into the pom.xml. Where we have the group ID and artifact and the version of our project and the dependencies such as web and the test file. IntelliJ will give Maven plugin from where we can reload all Maven project. We can generate the source. Also, we can download the Java source or the documentation. There are lifecycle listed. The clean will delete the target folder. Let us do that. Validate will validate the structure. Package will package the source code into the respective artifact. Here the artifact is a jar. You can also change the artifact to var by adding package. let us go to the install, which will download the package from the repository, and now it is connected to Maven Central by default, and it will download these two dependencies from the Maven Central. Here install is successful. If you look into the compilation, Maven, it ran the test and test ran successfully. Before that, building Maven snapshot from pom.xml, it invoked the resources, compiled it, test the resources, and test compiled.